We're talking about a car crash in this edition of The Law and You. Back with us tonight in the Virtual Law Center, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Guys, pleasure having you here again.
We're glad to be here, and this is a great question.
And it's a tough scenario, so a serious situation for Claire in Stroudsburg. She says she caused a car crash where a child was hurt badly. My insurance company refuses to settle the case. I'm worried about going to trial, so what can Claire do here? It sounds like a very tough time for her.
This happens a lot. And Claire, you speaking out about this, you asking a question, you're the exception rather than the norm. So most people just think, oh, my insurance company is just going to take care of it. But what happens a lot of times is the insurance company refuses to settle on your behalf, and when they do that, it exposes you personally. So what you need to do is you need to pick up the phone, you need to call a lawyer, and you need to hire your own personal counsel in addition to the lawyer who's working on behalf of the insurance company, to protect you, because if this thing goes over the top of your policy limits, you could be on the hook personally for any damages.
Yeah, it's astounding how often we see this, and we get called a couple times a year where we have to step in and help people with this exact scenario, because what happens is the company, for whatever reason, they make their determination. They don't want to pay whatever your limits of insurance are, and that creates a problem. So on the other side, the plaintiff's lawyer, like we usually do, we're like, well, why aren't you paying us? And then the ultimate hammer is, hey, if we go to a courtroom and get a verdict above your policy limits, that's collectible. Not against the insurance company, against the person, the defendant, which you would be in this case. So it's complicated, but Ed's right. You need to have personal counsel in representing you, protecting your interest, not the insurance company's interest.
Protect your rights. I mean, really know your rights and then make sure that they're being protected, especially in a situation like this.
Call to help is easy. The number is on the bottom of your screen. You can check the guys out online or on social media as well. And don't forget, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Ciarimboli. Thank you, guys.
Thanks.
PAHomepage.com, and the Law and You hotline is there for you.